Now we are discussing the topic of electric motor, that is very important for the NCERT syllabus. For the topic, this is the topic of 10th science topic. So we have to describe the first motor. What is the principle behind it? What is the basic principles we are using of motor? Principle of electric motor. How it is work? What is the function of? Simply electric motor is a electric motor is a device. Electric motor is a device which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. This is the basic principle of the electric motors. What is the basic construction of the electric motor? We have two permanent magnets. First is N pole and this is our S pole. And a basic coil is placed in between them. This is a coil. This is a coil which is placed between them. And the current is flowing in this current carrying loop. And this system is now connected to two semicircular rings. And after that, one brush is connected to this, and this system is all connected to the variable sources of batteries. This is the basic principles, basic constructions. This is our N pole and this is our S pole. Suppose this is a conducting loop A, B, C, D, and this is brushes. There are two brushes. This is semicircular rings. We have already know that when a current carrying wire is placed in an external magnetic field, here a magnetic field is produced in this direction because magnetic field lines is present from N to S. So when a magnetic coil is present in a magnetic field, then this current carrying loop, this is a current carrying loop. This current carrying loop experiences a force, and thus forces to be rotate this magnetic coil, and hence we can say that this electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Hence this basic principle which is used in the electric motors. So first we have to remember this is a permanent magnet and a coil is placed in between them. After a magnetic field, a coil is placed in the magnetic field, it experiences a force. Because of that force, it can be rotated, and hence we can say there are two semicircular rings which are because of the connection of the two wires, and after that the brushes are connected to each other. After a variable sources is connected, and here keys is connected also. Hence this is the basic principles, basic constructions of the electrical motor, and the basic use of the electrical motors are in a washing machine, in a geyser system, in a various types of examples of the electrical motor in geyser system, washing machines, refrigerators. These are the utilizations.